In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Kanban board in Miro. Whether you're new to Miro or looking to enhance your project management skills, integrating a Kanban board can substantially improve your team's workflow and organization. We'll go through each step with simplicity and clarity to make sure you can follow along with ease. To start, you'll need to open up Miro and navigate to the board where you want to add your Kanban board. Once you have your board in view, it's time to access some of the essential tools Miro has to offer. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll notice a sidebar. Glide your cursor over and click on Tools, Media, and Integrations. This section is a hub where Miro consolidates all its options for adding and enhancing functionalities on your board. It's like a treasure chest full of possibilities, waiting for you to explore. After clicking on Tools, Media, and Integrations, a panel will appear. This panel is your gateway to various applications and media choices that Miro supports. It's important to note that Miro continually updates this area, adding new integrations that can streamline your workflow and bring more value to your project management toolkit. Within this treasure trove, you'll find the option to add a Kanban board. Keep an eye out for it, as this feature will be key in helping you organize and visualize your tasks effectively. Once you've located the Kanban option, the next step is to incorporate it into your board. It's as simple as clicking on Kanban and dragging it over to your work area. As you drop it in your desired spot, you'll see the Kanban board appear, ready for action. Miro makes it easy to customize, so you can resize or move it to fit seamlessly within your existing board setup. This flexibility ensures that your layout remains tidy and organized even as you add new elements. With the board now on your screen, the Kanban board will open up with its default column settings. These typically include columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. They serve as a basic structure for categorizing tasks and tracking their progress. Of course, every project is unique, so you can customize these columns according to your specific needs. Simply click on a column header, and a pop-up menu will allow you to rename or add new columns, giving you full control to tailor the board to suit your team's workflow. Incorporating a Kanban board within Miro is a seamless way to visualize your team's tasks, making it easier to track progress and manage workloads. As tasks move from one stage to another, you can drag and drop them between columns to reflect their status. This visual movement aids significantly in tracking project timelines and ensuring accountability within your team. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully added a Kanban board to your Miro